Hello, hi, how are you? I hope you're well. I hope the week has been really kind, and thank you so much for clicking and deciding to spend some time with me. I really appreciate it. So tonight, I'm really excited. This box, while itself is not thick, what's in it is THICC, all the C's, guys. I'm talking about Indy Thicc spinner, the Yeti. I was fortunate enough to get my grubby hands on this, and it just arrived today. Normally, I'd wait for tomorrow for Friday to go ahead and unbox this, but I was so excited. I was like, nah, it's time to open this and make a video. So thanks for joining me again, and we'll kind of just go through this really fast. Let's see. All right, so let's get the box out of here. Well wrapped, for sure. Whoa, this other stuff. All right, here we go. As evidence, Indy Thicc. Again, all the C's. Made in USA, and if I'm not mistaken, that is the state flag of Tennessee and Indiana. I'll get that up there for you guys. Yes, obviously, Indy. This was shipped out of Indianapolis, so I'm assuming that they're based in Indianapolis. So very cool. Let me get my, again, not a knife guy. Sorry, guys. Oops. Maybe I should be a knife guy. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. All right, so let's unbox this. Oh, okay. I'm unboxing it incorrectly. All right, so to start, oh, we've got some other stuff here too. This is awesome. Since this was the Yeti, obviously we've got some Yeti themed stuff. Is this like a, oh yeah, it's a sticker. I was thinking maybe that's like an enamel button or something, but nope, it is a sticker. Very cool. It'd be great if I could actually dump these out. Another little Yeti guy. That's awesome. And another Yeti sticker. Sticking with the theme. All right, so we have here, and I saw these online. I just think they're great. Like the certificate of authenticity. Like it's not just a stamp. Tells you the date that it was made, the model, serial number. It's awesome. I think this is great. Let's see. Let's get this. Pop this open. I'll give you guys a close-up look at that. Really cool, right? Ooh, you're gonna have to help me out with the acronym. I am terrible with acronyms, so don't know what that is. But we move on. All right, so it comes in this little, it's like a velvety little pouch, which is really nice. Sorry, you can tell there's the imprint of the buttons here. And I will say, this has a lot of heft. This has a lot of weight. So if we'll put it on the scale. But if you enjoy having some hefty chunk of metal in your hands, this already comes highly recommended. So let's get this guy out of the pouch. It's awesome. So I got the bronze with the machine finish. And wow, this is what it looks like. I'm hoping that these milling lines show up because you can definitely feel them. Wow. This has a really nice hand feel. It's cold because it's cold here, but wow. The buttons, awesome. I mean, just look at those milling lines. And this is the thing that I may have mentioned this on another video, but I'm a bit of a watch nerd, so I really appreciate precision. And when you see stuff like this, when someone can take a chunk of metal and just create something amazing out of it, that's precise, that's milled to perfection, it's just wow. That's all I can say. It's really, really awesome. So let's go ahead and give it a first spin here. Oh yeah. Nice. That's awesome. Wow, this thing, I mean, it just kind of spins effortlessly too. Like it just keeps going. Really impressive. Well done, Indy Thicc. I am already a fan of this. This is great. Just because I'm kind of a dunce and I've got my disembodied hands going on right now, I'm not gonna, you know, hold it up with one finger. But again, the heft is awesome. If you guys are interested in something a little heavier, I fully recommend the Yeti. This is great, and the bronze is really cool. I don't know if it's going to develop a patina like copper does, but I hope so. And even if it doesn't, it still looks beautiful. So wow, really well done. Indy Thicc knocked it out of the park. So all right, so just for some size comparisons, I do have some stuff to put it up against it size wise, and of course we'll measure it too. But this is the Lauti bit 04. So maybe turn them this way. Yeah. So as you can tell, a little bit larger. And here's the Gambit Revolution from Billet Spin. Coin is out of it right now. So yeah. You know, with a bar spinner versus something that's more circular, you kind of expect that. But where it really differentiates itself is the heft, like I was saying, the weight. So let's go ahead and get that on the scale and see what we're looking at in terms of weight. Sorry, Yeti. Okay. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. All right. So... all right, she's weighing in at 151 grams. So just for comparison, the Lauti bit 04, I know it's not, you know, apples to apples, but just to give you some idea, weighs in at 54 grams. And then Billet Spin, which I still, I'm just really enamored with this. It's such a cool spinner. It comes in at 66. So the Yeti is living up to the hype, guys. It's big and heavy, which I'm a fan of. So, all right, let's get the measurements for you. In case you're thinking about picking one up yourself. Let's see. Be helpful if I turn it on. There we go. All right, so the longest dimension here, hold. Okay, oops. We're looking at about 53 millimeters. And then from button to button, we're looking at about 23 millimeters. So yeah, some pretty awesome dimensions on this. And again, like I said, the spinning is, well, I didn't say this, but the spinning is super smooth. And like I said, for me, the weight is just amazing. Like I just, wow, really enjoy the heft of this. So I can't say enough about this. Indy Thicc, awesome. Really great work on this. I'm already a fan. I saw the Chelsea show up in a ton of other videos for, or not videos, Facebook groups that people are trading and selling them, and they looked amazing. So that's why I had to jump on the Yeti when I saw the sale come up. And fortunately, like I said, I was able to get my hands on one. So yeah, love it. Already a fan. Definitely not going to be putting this guy on the market anytime soon. So yeah, it's, what can I say? Indy Thicc, awesome. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, thank you guys again for deciding to spend a few moments of your time with me. I really appreciate it. And I'll have some more videos coming up in the near future. I've got some stuff coming in. So, and I still need to get to installing those tritium tubes. So that'll be another video, maybe this weekend. We'll see. So I hope you guys have a great evening, great rest of the week, and I will catch you next time. So thanks again.